Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix GTA 5 random crashing in game or crashing on startup. So without further ado, let's get started. First, then open up your client that you have your game, and then for my example, it is on Steam. So I need to go on library, right click on the game, then go to properties, installed files, and verify integrity of the game files. Maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed, so first go ahead and do so. And after that, you just need to press browse here, and new window will open up here. Then you need to go to and scroll down until you see GTA 5, right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, make sure to disable full screen optimizations, and then change the high DPI settings. Select this option and then press OK and apply the changes, right? And if the problem still persists, the next thing that you can do here, you need to make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully updated. And to do so, then you just need to on search right check for updates, and then press check for updates. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so. Restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers. You just need to go to device manager, and then here you need to go to display adapters, right click on your GPU, update driver, search automatically for drivers, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so, and then try again. And still, if the problem persists, then try to run the game and then open up task manager, and let's say this task, for example, this task is basically GTA 5. What you need to do here is to right click on it, go to details, and then you need to right click again, then you need to set priority and make it to high, right? And also make sure that you're not running a lot of tasks while playing the game, because it requires a lot of CPU usage and memory. So what you can do here, for example, when you play the game and you don't use, for example, your browser, you can easily end the tasks that will basically requires a lot of your computer resources, right? And also you need to go to details, not details, basically startup apps, and also make sure to disable all the apps that you don't use and that requires a lot of memory, like mouse or keyboard apps, for example Skype or other. I like to basically disable them all, and it can cause crashing problems, right? And if the problem still persists, another thing that you can do here, you need to go to graphic settings, and then you need to go and you need to look for GTA 5, and then you just need to click on that, press options, and select a high performance here. And another thing that you can do here, if the problem still persists, simply you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall, and then allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and change settings, then press on one of the tasks here, and then press G. And here it should be GTA 5. And if there is no GTA 5, then you need to allow another app. Then you need to press browse. And then usually if you're playing on Steam, your GTA 5 files is on disk C, program files x86, Steam apps, common, and then GTA 5, and then you need to just add GTA.exe file here and add. And after that, if the problem persists, then you need to go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to manage, and then you should see exclusions, and then press add an exclusion folder, and then you need to look for GTA 5 on program file, Steam apps, common, and then you should find your GTA 5 folder here and then add folder here. And after that, what you need to do here, when you apply all these solutions here is to restart your computer and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.